So we're going to open the bag. I'll show you what we carry. First of all, we do have snacks, and that's pretty important. And because I'm diabetic, we have glucose tablets. Peanuts are always welcome. Those are flavor packs for water. All right, so there's that. Always got to carry a little bit of food. This is, I believe, our tire repair kit that we have, and some tools. So it would have some wipes, handyman tool, tire irons, and flashlight, multi-tool, metric, because our bikes require metric. And this one's going to be pretty complicated because this has all the medicines in it, and all of these are little mini packs. We have off because we never know what we're going to run into. Oh, these are interesting. These are stall wipes. Don't ask the question as to why they exist. And this is antiseptic towels, a little cortisone, toothbrush because sometimes we spend the night, and clear eyes, not a bad thing to have, lip balm, and what do we have there? We have some Advil, some more off deep woods. We've run into mosquitoes before, and they just kill you if you're not prepared for that. A couple packs of aspirin, and you never know when you might have to wash something, especially overnight when we go travel. This is legacy from the pandemic era. Biofreeze. This actually is in case you have, I don't know, pulled muscle or something. You can stick that on. Benadryl, which I use frequently to get rid of allergies. Second Benadryl. And what is this here? Motrin. And a little bit of Motrin. And you know, you got to look for these little packs because they're not carried anywhere. I think we got most of these off the internet. A little bit of sunscreen, Alka-Seltzer, not a bad thing to have. You know, the older you get, the more likely this is. We got a second antacid, and triple antibiotic for cuts and scrapes. This is interesting. This is a sting reliever. This stuff works. You get stung by a bee or something, and melatonin. Interesting. Dude wipes. Now, again, we don't talk about dude wipes, and we don't talk about stall mates. But they're with us. They're with us. Oh, here's our little bit of a sanitizing handy wipe. Oh, what is this here? Can you read that?
Hydrocortisone cream.
Oh, hydrocortisone. Yeah.
For itching.
You'd think we were in pretty bad shape with all the stuff we carry, but we're kind of being prepared. Mucinex for phlegm. What is this here? Pro bike. You know, it's something. Of course, we're carrying it.
And then these are
Must be important.
Oh, those are.
Oh, these are matches we picked up at Harry and Izzy's. I don't know why we carry matches, but we do. And they all fit in this handy dandy little bag that we bought from Amazon. Moving on. I think this is more tool stuff here. This is really for tire stuff. Now, we have an inner tube puncture repair kit, tire gauge, tire irons. In addition, we use CO2 cartridges to refill. We've only had to do this once on a flat tire, and that was actually in Arizona, 7 miles out into the desert, which came in quite handy. These are adapters to go from Schrader to Preston valve, Preston to Schrader valves. We have both, 2 different bikes. A box of Pringles ended up coming with us. This is actually an alarm system, and it keys off of vibration. It has a remote control. You can set this on your bike, turn it on, and somebody bumps your bike and it'll take off. Ponchos, just in case. We've got a couple different, an emergency blanket. I guess that we're being prepared, following the Boy Scout motto. One more nutty bar that kind of slipped into the bottom there. This is the remote control for this thing. A little bit of Velcro, you never know. You never know. Velcro's a handy little tool. And now the first aid kit. So we'll open up that and kind of show you what's in it without showing you what's in it. But it has a little bit of everything in it. We went through and packed, and it's got what we call, this is kind of a nice lubricant, this Aquaphor. I don't know if you guys have ever run into that. A little bit of Advil, and then all of the assorted things you would expect to find in a first aid kit without getting deep into the first aid kit. Just because. Inner tube. This is real important. We carry a spare inner tube for all the bikes. We're using 28. Those are actually, they'll fit a couple different sizes. I think they'll fit up to 29. Our tires are somewhere between 50 and 48 millimeter. A little extra money because if we forget our credit card, we've got to be able to buy something, food that is. Side packets are kind of cool. Let's see, we've got a winter jacket, winter coat. This is kind of a wind-resistant windbreaker in the appropriate color. Beanie cap on my head. A couple of nice pair of gloves here. And these are actually sleeves, a pair of sleeves. Very nice to carry, especially when the temperature's chilly but not cold, to help keep the heat on a little bit better. And some bungees, which we needed when we were on the Amtrak. If you go on Amtrak and bring your bike on, you got to actually strap it to a rail. We have, in addition, some rubber bags and rubber bands, primarily to cover the electronics if it rains. So that's it. That's it. And oh, one other thing on the bag, these are also panniers on these. If you could drop that down there and just show them that this is actually a pannier. So when it's on the bike, you can fill it up with goodies. And they open up, and we've gone to grocery stores many a time, especially when camping, brought back groceries. So that's what we carry in our bag. A little bit of overkill, but we're prepared.